Meet Alex, a CFO, and Jamie, an operations manager at a mid-sized construction company. Managing data from multiple field applications can be overwhelming. Data silos make it hard to track, integrate, and manage operational data efficiently. Problems such as errors and inefficiencies, scheduling and payroll issues, and disconnected systems. It can be costly and time-consuming. Because of manual entry errors lead to payroll issues, compliance risks, and revenue loss. Alex and Jamie struggle to streamline operations and make data-driven decisions. Introducing the SaaS centralized data platform, Fleetgress. The one place for all your data needs. A smarter way to manage fleet, material, and personnel data. Consolidate data from all sources into a single platform. Break data silos and ensure all information is automatically integrated into your ERP system. Save time, reduce errors, and enhance decision-making with integrated data. Take control of your data and transform your operations. Unlock efficiency and data accuracy with our integrated SaaS platform. See it in action. Book a demo today.